Products and natural resources. The most important natural resource in the West is the Pacific Ocean. Fishing is an important industry up and down the coast. There are many important ports along the Pacific Ocean. A port is a place for receiving ships and transferring cargo. Here, goods are traded with Japan and Asia. The Columbia River is very important to the West region. Dams on the river help make a lot of electricity. Many businesses use this electric power. Farmers use water from the river to irrigate crops. Columbia River waters irrigate more than 8 million acres of land. Both farmers and business people use the river for transportation. Many goods travel in the Columbia to ports along the Pacific Ocean. Soil is another important resource. In the Central Valley and the Willamette Valley, there are many fruit and vegetable farms. The Central Valley is called America's Fruit and Salad Bowl. More than 150 fruits and vegetables are grown there. Crops grown in the area include apricots, almonds, strawberries, cabbage, lettuce, tomatoes, grapes, avocados, asparagus, oranges, cotton, and corn. Potatoes, green beans, onions, and broccoli are also grown in the valley. Washington is known for its apples. Washington produces more apples than any other state. Central Valley supplies a lot of food for the United States and for the rest of the world. The West region is a center of the wood products industry. Wood products include lumber, plywood, cardboard, and paper. Much of the wood used in the United States comes from the West. Wood is used to build house, furniture, musical instruments, and much more. Idaho is home to vast potato farms, and the Idaho potato is sold by almost every supermarket in the United States. About 3/4 of Idaho's potato crop is now produced and sold as frozen French fries, instant mashed potatoes, or similar products. The rest are sold as baking potatoes. Hawaii is famous for its pineapples. You can also find sugarcane in Hawaii. The plant is grown on plantations. Once it is harvested, it is sent to sugar mills. This is where the table sugar we use is produced. Bananas, rice, coffee, and macadamia nuts are also grown in Hawaii. Salt is one of the most important things that people get from the Great Salt Lake. In fact, over 4 million pounds of salt gets taken from it every year. They get the salt by pumping water into giant shallow ponds. When the water evaporates, the salt is left behind. It can take up to 3 years for all of the water in the pond to evaporate.